Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Fortnite removed from match due to internet lag, IP or machine, or even VPN and cheating. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First up, open up a registry editor right here on your search bar. So just click on it and click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now what you'll do is just go out and find HKey current user. Okay, this one, click on the drop down. Now go out and find software. Again, click on the drop down. And then here we're going to find Epic Games. Again, click on the drop down. And then here just click on the drop down for Unreal Engine. And here we have identifiers, okay? So just click on it, right click, and then delete it. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I already fixed the issue. Just delete this one, and after that, restart your computer. And once done, check if it helps. If that still won't work, go ahead and check your date and time right here. Right click, click on adjust date and time. Make sure that your region is correct right here, as well as set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Make sure that these two are enabled. Once done, click on sync now. Wait a bit, close this one. Go and find your command prompt. Right here, click on run as an administrator. Click on yes, and then type down ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit on enter. netsh space winsock space reset, hit on enter. netsh space int space IP space reset, hit on enter. And finally, close this one. Now, lastly, again, restart your computer. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine. Now, that is it. That is how you fix Fortnite removed from match due to internet lag, IP or machine, VPN, and cheating. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.